Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yediyah, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And this morning, let me say the date. Today is the 14th of June, 2022. It's 5:20 a.m. in the morning. And right now I'm in a Audjpy short trade, a sell trade. And let me just break down why I took this trade. So we have the JPY basket. That's the yen basket, and it's been in a strong downtrend for a while. Let me go up to the daily chart. Right, so it's a major downtrend. We've been in a downtrend forever on the JPY basket, right? Let me go back down to the 4-hour. So I have some fib lines right here. The 38% level, the 50 and the 61% level. Alright, let me make this big enough. Bear with me 1 second. Alright. So now we have these fib lines, the 38% fib line right here, 50% fib line. That's the resistance line. That's from, I pulled those fibs from the top and to the bottom right here, right? So one thing I noticed about the JPY basket is that even in a risk-off environment like what we're going through now with all this risk-off sentiment in the market and stuff like that, and JPY being a risk-off, a safe haven currency, right? It's still selling off. So that means if JPY is a safe haven currency and we're in a bear market and we have raising higher interest rates and there's speculation of us going into a recession and stuff like that, right? That means that smart money should be looking for safe havens for their money, right? And that's where they usually go. They jump into like JPY, they jump into bonds and a bunch of others. They jump into gold as well. So with that being said, why are we still selling off so much? I've been looking at it for a while, and I'm thinking, well, when is the money gonna come in? When is the safe haven money gonna come in, right? And I think we probably found somewhat of a bottom. Well, for the immediate term anyway, you know. Because it's been confusing me for a while looking at the sentiment of the market overall and not seeing a bounce in the JPY, right? So at least we finally got it right now. So we're having a little push up on the JPY, and I'm taking advantage of that with the Audjpy pair, right? So let me make this bigger. Right, so we have a downtrend in Audjpy. So you see we have a sell-off here, right? And we have this sideways movement, a little support happening. Let me make this big enough. Right, so where's my other position? Did I get stopped out? Looks like I got stopped out on my first position. Yeah, I did. Right, so I just got stopped out here. That's that little blue arrow that shows where you buy in a short trend. So it's going to show as blue. But anyway, let me break it down a little bit. So order's been selling off, and my strategy is the mama bear strategy right here, right? Now, the first trade I took was somewhere around here in the congestion, right? I took the trade in the congestion right here, and it was too early. And I knew it was too early, but I was just hoping for for like a breakdown, right? For it to just flush down. But Forex rarely does that. I don't know why I took that trade in the first place. So we got this push up from the consolidation and we ran into R3, right? So that's my strategy in a downtrend. Wait for the push up at market open, and when you see the rejections at R3, you go short, and we're trying to get to S3. So the first position I entered was exactly on R3 right here. Let's see, where is it? So you would see that position here, right? I think that's the position right there, because I entered at R3 and that just got stopped out here. I don't know if you guys could see that, but you know, I hope you take my word for it. So stopped out on, I think it was a 0.02 lot size. So I think it netted me like about maybe $8 or something like that. So I have this 0.01 lot size here. You see that's only like $3.91 right now. I have the stop loss here at 93,357. And if it pulls back on me, then you know I'll just get stopped out on that for a profit as well. So yeah, this is my simple, well, it's not simple, but you know, it's a little complicated in the things I look for in the mama bear strategy. But to summarize it, it's just a downtrend, and this is market open right here, right? This is the market open space. This is the market open timeline, right? Let's see. And then at market open, you wait for the pop-up to R3. You see some wick rejections, some reversal patterns right here. And then you go short at R3, or the breakdown of R3. So let's say you wanted to enter here on this candle would be the best entry right here, right below R3. After you see this pop up, and then we kind of stall with this doji candle right here. So it didn't go further. We had the support and it didn't go further, right? So we had that doji stopping right there at R3, coming off or something like this, you know, rejection right here. So it's all these rejection patterns right at R3, right? And we're already in a downtrend, so you want to follow the trend, right? Damn, these arrows is messed up as shit, man. Anyway, I didn't pay attention in art class because I didn't have any talent, alright? So yeah, that's why them arrows look like that. You should see my stick, man. Crazy shit. So yeah, we're in a downtrend, and then we get a pop-up R3 rejection, and we're trying to take that down to like S3. Let's see if I can make that a little smaller. Where's our target? But I'm really trying to just make this run. The other one, the first trade, I kind of secured some position, some profit, because I had the loss with the first share size, with the first trade. And so I took that loss, I recouped that loss, and now I'm just gonna let this one right here just run. Let me see, I'll set take profit to probably S4. Yeah, S4 ain't bad. So let's see, where's my measuring tool? Let's see how much pips we're looking for. Alright, so we're looking to capture 177 pips on that one, and I'm not sure exactly where I stopped out on the first one or how much pips I captured, but on this trade right here, in this position, we're looking to capture 177 pips. So let's see how we do, you know what I mean? Alright, y'all, that's my little live trade, Audjpy. Y'all trade safe and stay blessed.